Douglas Park. They are now clearing the field. You see them. See them walking, clearing the park. Some people were the park officers are now clearing the court, clearing the grasses, so that it looks nice for people to camp, to stay at, to relax. Yeah, that one looks like a woman driving the tractor. And this one, a man taking care, and the woman is there. However, getting got to be clear. So, ¿cómo estás? And we see how easy it is for them to clear the grasses. They are just using the machine, driving it around, and very soon everywhere will be cleared. They're doing this in preparation for summer, so that people will enjoy the park, and the park will look very nice, very clean. See how he's doing that. How he's doing that. So I will stop here for now, just to show you how the people work. Not much suffering, but they get the place cleared. And this is Los Tennis Court. This is how they clear the field. What a man can do, a woman can do it even better. See the woman driving around too. Gentlemen, let's stop for now. Have a nice day.